Well, hi, everybody. Welcome back. Here's what we're tracking as we get into the weekend. Mild and not as windy tomorrow. Again, a high tomorrow climbing up into the 50s. Maybe not quite as warm. We got up to 61 today, but I don't think it's going to be quite as warm tomorrow. We'll be close, but it certainly is not going to be as windy. But then winter comes back in on Sunday, maybe late Saturday night, and it's possible we could have some snow. And I cannot rule out the possibility of that snow accumulating a little bit. It's not going to hang around for very long, but it's possible we could have some accumulating snow. There is little or no precipitation out here right now within the News 10 viewing area. We do have just a few sprinkles in the far south part of Indiana because of this cloud cover that we have going on here. And you can see where some of this cloudy area is down and through here. And so just a few little light sprinkles, not much in the way of rain going on down there. In fact, some clearing going on through the nighttime tonight, so it'll become partly cloudy. In fact, the sky has cleared somewhat here in Terre Haute. It's still mild, 58 degrees, 60 in Paris, 63 in Robinson. Feels nice about everywhere. 60 in Mattoon, 64 in Effingham, and 60 in Bloomington. The only thing is it's rather breezy still. I'll call it windy because anytime we get between 15 and 20 miles per hour, in my classification anyway, I call that windy. And so I have a wind from the southwest tending a little bit to the west at 18 miles per hour in Terre Haute, out of the west in Paris at 18, 26 miles per hour in Robinson and Vincennes, and those are steady winds. That's a sustained wind. Now we take a look at what wind gusts are. And of course, wind chill is not a factor, but the wind gusts have been up to 36, 37 miles per hour. At one point, I had a 42 mile per hour wind gust down around Linton. So it has been quite windy. A look at the Storm Team 10 Futurecast. We go through the nighttime tonight. It's partly cloudy, and then into the day tomorrow. Looks like we'll have sunshine. Not as windy tomorrow, but actually a very pleasant, almost spring day. But then as we get into late tomorrow night, look at what happens. We start to have some rain moving in, especially from the south part of the News 10 viewing area, and then colder air sinks in. And I don't think it'll take long for that rain to switch over to kind of a wet snow, which could last at least through part of the day on Sunday. And that's when I think we have the possibility of getting an accumulating snow. Partly cloudy, less windy later on tonight, so the wind's going to die down. 33 for the overnight low. Mostly sunny, not as windy tomorrow, high of 57. Tomorrow night, rain possible late. Light rain developing late tomorrow night, but as the temperature drops to 30 degrees, then we switch that over to snow. And so we have a chance of snow on Sunday with a high of 37 degrees. An overnight low Sunday night of 22. Monday back up to 41. And then Tuesday, 54 degrees. So any snow that does fall is not going to stick around for very long. But at this time, I think we're just all pretty much finished with snow. So anytime we have snow, it's just kind of aggravating.